guys, so we keep seeing this recipe for snow ice cream. We've never tried it, so we're gonna make it. So I need to go outside. What you need for it is 5 to 6 cups of snow, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm gonna head outside and get 6 cups of snow. I got my big old bowl. Yeah, it's starting to rain, so we gotta hurry and get some snow. Okay, so it says to put 3 cups of snow in a large bowl. So we'll go ahead and put 3 of the cups in this bowl. Hold on. Okay. Here's our bowl. You're crooked, but I can't help it. I don't know what is going on with my tripod. It doesn't want to cooperate right now. Okay, so we need to put 3 cups in here.
Snow in the bowl. 2, 3.
And then it says put in milk, sugar, and vanilla and mix it together, and then you add the rest of the snow. So we need to pour in. Should we put the sugar in first?
Yeah, can I do that first?
Yeah, go ahead.
I will put in the sugar. Here's the sugar.
Go ahead. Go ahead and pour it in.
Add
half a cup of sugar. And then we need a teaspoon of vanilla.
Oh, watch out so you don't accidentally pour it on me. Vanilla is very vanilla-y.
So there's that, and then the milk. Pour the milk in.
And add the milk.
Everybody says it's so good, but I don't know. I've never tried it.
It looks like a creamy marshmallow mix.
It looks like when you make homemade ice cream.
Yeah.
So you mix it, and it had already started raining, so the snow is kind of like icy from the rain.
But that'll be a different taste to us. That might be even better. But it said like it's gonna start raining around like a different time, but it actually started raining around like a little bit ago.
It's okay, honey.
So that out of the way.
And then it says add
the rest of the snow inside the bowl.
Yeah, I might have got like a little bit more than 5 to 6 cups, but.
But it's raining.
I keep slopping it out of the bowl. It says if it starts to melt, put it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes.
It kind of looks like a weird type of root beer. It looks like a melted root beer. It looks like a root beer float.
Okay, do you want to try a bite?
Sure. Mmm.
Is it good? Does it taste like ice cream? Do we need to stick it in the freezer? Let me get the cap because I slapped it over.
It's a little too watery.
Yeah, we probably just stick it. It says if it starts to melt, to put it back in the freezer. Is it good though?
Yep.
Does it taste like ice cream?
Yep. So we'll have to wait until like 3:24 if we put it in right now. Because it's 3:04.
Let's see. Allie, careful. Here, I'll add a little bit more snow.
Just so it'll. And then let me taste it again to make sure.
Well, that probably didn't make much of a difference.
Allie, we made snow ice cream. You should let her taste some. Oh.
Whoa. Here, have her come to the gate.
Allie, come here. Allie, come to the gate.
Let's see if she'll eat it.
Allie, no.
Here, Allie. Bite. Here, look. Here.
See what Mama has.
Bite.
No ice cream. Is that good? Is that
Is
yummy?
that yummy? Another little bite. Nicole.
She likes it.
She must like it. She wanted more.
I like it too, Allie.
Okay. I'm going to try it. I'm not
No. Hey. 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 Mom, look at her.
Adrian, get her down. She's going to fall. All right. I'm going to put it in the freezer for a
Just
little
so
bit.
it